Hi there friends and welcome to my channel. I'm glad to tell you about the world of trading again. In this video we will analyze the most simplest but at the same time most profitable future strategy. So let's move on to the video. So today I will tell you not just about the strategy but about a very good indicator paid with which you won't need to do anything. I will give an example on Bitcoin. To start using this strategy, first of all, you must find in the indicators this indicator. Its name is High-Kinashi Strategy Crypt. So I will show you. Here we write, and here we see this indicator and just add it and activate. You will also need to switch the candles to High-Kinashi. They will also make it easier for you to work with the chart because they don't show false reversal signals. Let's even show with an example. Here we switch to ordinary candles. Here it is. And see how many good signals for a reversal and a change in trend followed by a transition to an uptrend. These candles deprive you of unnecessary hustle. You spend less nerves, your strength, and it is easier to carry out all analysis on the market. So let's move on to the strategy itself. Look, this indicator clearly shows you the entry and exit points, and they are marked with buy and sell. Respectively, when trading on futures, these are short and long signals. Let's take the example of 5 days from the 11th to 15th and find out how much we could earn. So, from the 11th to 15th, 1 second, we will switch. So the first day we see a sell signal. And it worked in this place. So we take the ruler and calculate the maximum amount we could earn given the 50 leverage. So for the first day, 6% of the final movement down comes out, and we multiply and get 300% of the profit to our order. So further, there were no special signals until the 13th. Here again we take the ruler, multiply and get 150% of the profit. So yes, it is about 150% of our profit. So then we see the situation is identical, but with another 100% moving down, and up to the 15th we could earn 600% of net profit. So that's the whole strategy and profit calculations from it. You should also take into account that the indicator works for the past time and shows the entry points after the candle closes. So watch and wait for the candles to close. Now let's try to open an order using this indicator. Let's just try to open the order. So now let's find here the sell signal worked in this place, and now let's try to open a short order. So here it is. Let's open a short order for let's say $10 as an example just. So everything is ready. We are opening, all shoulders are exposed, so the position is already open. And in the next video I will show you our profit. And also don't forget about my personal Telegram channel where I post my personal analytics, insider signals and information, and much more. So good luck to everyone and see you again.